Good evening, Rutgers. I'm your weather watcher for tonight, Michael White, here with your Monday evening forecast for October 7th, 2024. So looking at our current conditions in New Brunswick, 66 degrees with mostly clear skies. Feels like a 66, humidity at 52%, and winds out the north-northwest at 5 miles per hour. Our headlines for tonight, we'll see that fall weather continuing throughout the rest of the week with mostly sunny skies and temperatures in the mid-60s. And we're obviously tracking catastrophic Category 5 Hurricane Milton in the Gulf of Mexico. But for the Garden State, our current temperatures, 65 here in New Brunswick, 67 in Camden, 65 also in Millville, 69 in Wildwood, 61 Toms River, 62 in Atlantic City, and a cold spot of 57 in Hackettstown. Looking at our futurecast, mostly clear conditions throughout the rest of the night into tomorrow, with maybe some patchy sprinkles here and there, especially towards the north, up near Pennsylvania. It gets towards almost 70 in southern Jersey on tomorrow. But that cloudiness should move through, and it's back to mostly clear on Wednesday, a little cooler, and it's pretty much that for Thursday as well. But a little bit colder with temperatures in the mid-50s in the morning. So if you're going out, be sure to bring a sweat jacket just so you stay warm. So here's Hurricane Milton. It's a Category 5 hurricane, winds of 180 miles per hour, and a pressure of 897 millibars. That is a very powerful hurricane and the strongest we've had here in 20 years. The last time we had that was in 2005 with Hurricane Wilma. So it goes to show you how strong this thing is. And in fact, it was only a Category 1 last night, so it intensified very fast. It should remain a Category 5 through tomorrow evening, and then gradually weaken as it encounters some wind shear, but it wouldn't make landfall around Tampa as a Category 3 or 4, and then weaken as it travels across Florida and becomes extratropical as it moves into the Atlantic. The spaghetti model plots still a little bit of a spread near the landfall area near Tampa, and this is key for the storm surge aspects. If it goes south, then you have less storm surge in Tampa, but you'll have the stronger winds. If it goes a little north of Tampa, then that's probably the worst case scenario, as the circulation will funnel all of that storm surge right into Tampa Bay. So it's a very sensitive forecast, and it's still prone to changes as we're about still a day and a half out. Speaking of storm surge, 12 feet plus right around Tampa Bay, down to Fort Myers. A little less as you go down, but still 12 feet, at least 12 feet in Fort Myers, and up towards Cedar Key in Tampa, and less as you go towards the Big Bend area. But this is obviously a very catastrophic situation. But back here in Jersey, overnight, we'll see mostly clear skies with a low of 47, with winds out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour. And our sunrise tomorrow will be at 7:02 a.m. Tomorrow, we'll see sunny skies, temperature of 50 degrees, winds out of the northeast at 2 miles per hour, and it'll feel like 50 degrees out pretty much as you step outside. Stepping aside for the 7-day forecast, 60s throughout the rest of the week, and mostly sunny skies the entire week. So very nice weather ahead. Definitely that fall weather as I spoke about before. And a slight chance of rain on Sunday night before Columbus Day, but other than that, it's pretty much bone dry, no rain in sight for the next week. So enjoy. Be sure to follow us on social media on Facebook, YouTube, X, and Instagram. I've been your WeatherWatcher for tonight. Have a good night, Rutgers.